Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
A strong US economy is giving an unexpected boost to the dollar, frustrating bearish investors betting on its decline. The dollar is up 2.5% from its recent low against a basket of currencies and stands near its highest level since March. Cryptocurrency prices dropped after the US Securities and Exchange Commission charged Binance, the largest crypto exchange in the world, with violating securities laws. Bitcoin fell more than 6% to its lowest level since March. Your 2023 investing year has been pretty swell if you've been holding Nvidia in your portfolio. The stock is this year's big winner, appreciating a staggering 172% since the start of the year, on the prospects of artificial intelligence-fueled growth.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US API weekly crude oil stock will be released at 20:30 GMT. The UK's 30Y bond auction at 09:30 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 04:30 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement will be released at 04:30 GMT. Japan's JP foreign reserves at 23:50 GMT. The US Redbook index at 12:55 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.